In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. I've got this video as an example, and before we begin, it's crucial to understand that the success of this method relies on image selection. This technique works best with images with very high contrast like the one I have. You can see a bright sky and then a dark forest, creating a stark contrast between the two. So when you're planning to use this technique, remember to choose images with high contrast for the best results. The first thing I'm going to do is duplicate this video layer. This is necessary because we will be adding text over the duplicated layer and we want the original video to remain unchanged. To do this, hold Alt, left click and drag the video layer not one but two tracks up to track number 3. Now I will open the effects window and search for Paint Bucket. Then add this effect to the top video. After that, head over to the Effect Controls panel and left click on the Paint Bucket effect so it's highlighted. And then you should see this blue indicator that we can click and drag to a different area that we want to remove. So as I place it on top of the sky, you can see the entire sky now is highlighted in red. So that pretty much creates a mask around our selection, and we can control the selection by adjusting the tolerance. In this example, 149 is good for me, but if it doesn't pick up all of the areas for you, you can further increase the tolerance. Then I will change stroke to choke and set the spread radius to 0, which tends to look a bit better. Then I'm going to check the invert fill. By doing this, we remove everything we've selected, keep the rest, and then set the blend mode to stencil alpha. Now, the area that we selected with the paint bucket is transparent, so anything that we place in this area on the tracks below will show up. So let's unleash our creativity and create the text. I'm going to select the type tool and type something. Then I will switch back to the selection tool, make the text bigger and adjust its position. Now let's adjust the duration of the text and move it to video track number 2. And now you will see the text behind the trees between the two video layers. And if I go ahead and select the text to move it, you can see that it is only visible in this area that we've selected with the paint bucket, and if I move it down, it's not visible over there. This technique gives us full control over the placement and visibility of our text, allowing us to create unique and engaging videos. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.